If you find a bag of weed on the floor, motherfucker, what the fuck you gon' do?
Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up.
While I crack a cold backs to keep the hoes in check, the double S best nigga wreck the discotheque. Sit back, relaxing while my squad kick taps. You tap your man back and be like, you see that? Ah yes, coming from the north, south, east, west. Hold your nose and take a deep breath. Recess, we bless. Mics 3 times a day, 3 times a night. It all equals subliminal sequels. Strictly laughing at MCs. Lyrics for years that run more than 10 deep. Niggas be like, he changed his style up. Shut the fuck up, you're still a dick rider. It's 96, so get with it. Keep that back in the day shit when that other squad was hitting. Listen, must we forget I originated all that